What is going on, everybody? Welcome back. MTG here with one of my first sponsors, and I'm so grateful that actually BenQ reached out to me and they asked me if I wanted to make a video about this, and I said, hey, why not? It's my first sponsorship, so I might as well take a look at it. So let's get this thing open. Now, okay, I think I'm just gonna have to cut this part.
2 hours later.
Okay, we have a bit of a problem here. There we go. Alrighty. Let's see what this is all about. Okay. So, this is in Chinese, I assume. I can't read that, so the instruction guide on how to use this little thing. Basically, this is how you control the lights. So what essentially this is, it's actually a ScreenBar e-reading lamp. So basically you just place it on top of your monitor and it acts as a light. But I'm going to try something different and use this not on a monitor but on a laptop. And if you ask why, I don't have a monitor. So we're gonna have to go with a laptop, and I'm gonna go with my MacBook Pro. But let's see what else we got. This is essentially the hook, basically, that we're going to attach on the laptop, and hopefully, it's pretty heavy actually. This is USB 2.0. Unfortunately, it's not USB Type-C. And here's the light. So anyway, let's get this thing running, and I'll tell you my experience about it. So a little update. I said I was going to use my laptop, but for this hook to attach, the monitor needs to be within a thickness of 1 to 3 centimeters, and right here, my laptop will not fit. So I did find a monitor that's bigger than me, but let's see if it. Okay, so it fits perfectly fine. It fits perfectly fine. Now let's get to the end result. So basically, this is what you're going to be using. So you're going to press this dial to turn it on, and then you can rotate the dial for it to increase the brightness and then decrease. Now there's also another button here that when you press that button, it's going to essentially change the color temperature, whichever one you like. I personally go with the white, but that's just your personal preference. And then that's basically it. Essentially, it's not like something that I can, go on in-depth review. Basically, it's just e-reading lamp for your monitor to use at night. Instead of, turning on the lights in the dark. You can just use this. But I think it's a pretty cool product. I personally would use it, and if you guys want to check it out, I will leave the link in the description down below. As you guys may know, BenQ, they make some awesome 4K monitors. So BenQ, it's a really good company. It's a really good brand. I would definitely check them out. Now, like I said, this is one of my first sponsorships. So I do thank BenQ for reaching out to me and asking if they wanted me to make a video on this product. And this is such a great opportunity that there's companies that are starting to, realize smaller channels like myself, and they're reaching out to us for us, smaller channels to review and to check out their products. So it's actually been a really great opportunity to check out this product. And I've never seen anything like this before. BenQ ever reached out to me, so it's actually a really cool product. If you did enjoy this video, be sure to Superman that like button, comment down below, Superman that subscribe button, and share on social media. And please be sure to check out BenQ. Until next time, everybody, this is MTG.